Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony. I'm here at Dale's Lodge, number 124. Got it right. Nice. 124 here in Wisconsin, Dale's, Wisconsin. And I'm giddy like a little schoolgirl because this is a state I've never sat in lodge before. So looking forward to seeing their opening and closing. Who knows? Maybe we'll see some degree work. This is not the last Wisconsin lodge. I've got about 5 or 6 more on my list I'm going to be seeing. I'm also in the next few months, I would say, I'm going to try to go to Iowa, Minnesota, and possibly back over to Michigan. So come along with me on this adventure because you just entered the Coolest Life, Masonic Edition. Good news, I'm in. Basically through the main doors, they've got a stairwell that goes down to the dining hall, which we just ate in. And then we're going to go into the main room here, which is basically the foyer area. We've got a nice foyer, got some nice pictures of George Washington. Actually, I think I've seen that one. I can't remember George Washington there. It's a nice one. Got the plane down there. Some more George Washington pictures in here. And let's go on in this preparation, this first room. This room is where they have the sign-in book, but also they've got a second set of columns. As you can see in the main room is the column there. So they've got a set in there. But when you have when you see extra set of columns like these two here, normally it's because there's another lodge that merged into this one. And that happened several years ago for this lodge. But I saw this. It's a water fountain, old school water fountain too. That's porcelain there. That's nice. And I want to show you, they've got an Eastern Star chapter here. Let me see. It looks like the Eastern Star jewels. So when they have their meetings here, they get everything ready and set aside. Where we're going to go in the main room. So here I saw the door knocker. Too much to it there. Big beautiful room. We just finished up with our meeting. But I want you to see here at the Junior Warden Station, they've got some light sconces there to the side. Everything's in great condition, like the velvet on there. He's also got an older jewel here. Definitely got some age on it. Look at that. This is about 2 feet. I swear, I think it's 24 inches tall. The globe actually moves on it. This is his column here at the Senior Warden Station. Really nice. It's also got a holder here. I don't think I've ever seen one of these that didn't have a marshal's baton in it. But it lays down right like that. That is so cool. Never seen one of those. Ample cedar on the side. Anytime you see colors like this is Eastern Star being represented here. Also the seat in the north, that's going to be Eastern Star also. So you're gonna see that. Got an organ. We didn't have any organ player today, but it was for Eastern Star. But we've got a nice altar here. And he's got the matching chairs, sort of matching. You see, they're all distinctly different, though. I noticed that a little bit ago. I don't see Masonic logos on them or anything. There's a smaller chair there. I do see their charters set up here. I think they got a York Rite chapter over here to my right, on my left, I should say. And they've got their Ancient Scepter Scottish Rite. Maybe they got a small group that meets here. Got an unusual looking G there. It's kind of hard to see. And they do have it lit up right now. Do you have the light switch for this G? Can you turn it off? It's just causing the glare is all. Oh, there he is. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see it. Definitely looks good. In great condition. It's going to be lodge number 124. This particular lodge was actually founded by a satellite from this lodge here. Actually, I saw that on the plaque out front. Tyler's sword actually sits up here. So, and I want to say that this particular ornamentation here up top. Look at this chapter. Lots of different colors. But they actually do take these down and they put them out there. They put them down on the floor so that they can do their floor work, especially in the fellowcraft degree. Got a large desk for a secretary. That's a huge desk for a lodge room this size. This lodge room is not all that big, and that table is huge. But you can see there's another one. This is matching. This is, of course, got a globe up here too, a different color from the other one. More sconces on the wall. Sorry for the background noise. And last but not least, I want to show you this. A couple things. You've got the lesser lights here to the side, and they've got a Holy Bible here and a Zohar, because they have a brother here who's Jewish, so they got a Zohar here. But I really like the way this one here, it's got the silver trim around it, and also matches the other columns that you see. Put my hand out of the way. The one over there, and also the one, not so much the master, but the senior warden. You see, he's got the column here, and he's got the silver going around the top. It's a good looking lodge. So if you're ever in Wisconsin Dells, you want to look for a lodge, look for a Dells 124 here in Wisconsin Dells, right here downtown too. I mean, you can go shopping around the corner. They also come here for a meeting, and normally have their meetings at 7 o'clock. They eat at 6 right here in this building, because they're meeting downstairs and they meeting upstairs and having their dinner downstairs. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like videos like this. Be sure to check out our playlist. We'll put it right up there, and you can check out other Masonic buildings from around the country. Because I need to go. I gotta get back out here living the coolest life, Masonic edition.